All right, before we move on, we have to do something, and that's actually to unlock our account so we have more features and stuff, which you couldn't see in the previous video. Now, I'm going to talk more about creating a page later on, but what I want you to do is go to here and go to create page. I've just created one as a test, and just go to any one of these brands, or we'll go to cause and community, and then just put in anything here. Let's put cats, loving, something like that. Get started, and I'll show you why we're going to do this, because some of you might be really new to Facebook and you might get stuck and you don't know how to unlock more features. So now we have a page created. I'm just going to upload a picture by writing a post and uploading just any picture, and I'm going to click post. And then that's going to post for me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to create adverts, and I'm actually just going to quickly create an advert. Now this backend here is like, we're not actually really going to use this much throughout the module because we're going to be using the Power Editor, but we have to actually unlock that. We can't really do anything with it now. So we're going to go, I'm just going to go, I just want to check something real quick before we continue on. Yeah, so we're still in that. There's still not many options here. All right, so I'm just going to go engagement, and I'm just going to go create advert. Then you can choose your country, your currency, and your time zone. And you can also just pick an account name if you like. So this is basically creating your advert account. That's what it's doing. And we're just going to leave it as the name. We're going to go continue. Now, don't worry about any of this right now. Okay, we're just going to start an advert and cancel it straight away. What we're trying to do is actually just get our account unlocked first, and I'm going to cover all of this later on in the module. So let's go to continue, and then you want to go to select your page and go to existing post. So I'm going to go. This is from the other page I did before. We'll choose that one. I'm going to pick a post. Then I'm going to go down and I'm just going to go place order. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, so do you want your currency to be, you just choose your currency, and you're either going to choose PayPal or you're going to choose credit card. And what happens is you'll get charged for your adverts. So I'm just going to put in my PayPal details here. We don't have a coupon. I'm going to go to continue. I'm just going to put my details in here real quick. Okay, so I just put in my details, and now it's brought us to a completely new section, and this is actually called the Power Editor. I'm just going to deactivate this now because we don't need it. So this is the Power Editor, and we're going to be actually using this throughout most of our training, pretty much all of it. And I'll show you how to use it, or I'll have a video based just on this. But now we can go up to Advert Manager, and we have things like Audience Insights, Creative Hub, Advert Manager, Power Editor. Oh, we're just in the manager actually, sorry. We weren't in the actual Power Editor. Let's just double check here. Yes, that's the Power Editor there. Let's turn that off. Okay, yeah, so that's the Power Editor. The other one was the Advert Manager, sorry. Page Post, which is create different kinds of posts for your page to promote. All we really need to know on this is we're going to do audiences, pixels, and probably maybe we're going to do offline events and Power Editor. So, and then you've got your billing and payment information and advert account settings, and this is for your personal stuff. This isn't, so this is going to be separate to when you start a business account. Okay, so this is for personal, and if we go back to Facebook real quick, and we go back to create adverts, we're back in the we can go back to Facebook, and we can go down to the arrow again, and now it says manage adverts. So we've unlocked that section, and now we have our advert account here, all the details. We can go inside. This is our advert manager, not the Power Editor. Got a little bit confused there because they're very similar, look very similar. So this is our manager where all of our adverts are going to show up, and we can edit them, duplicate them, view charts, we can view information, we can do all sorts of good stuff in here. So that's it for that. That's really unlocking it in a nutshell. We're going to go over campaigns. I'm going to do some slides about campaigns and ad sets to make things a lot more easier for us and we get a bit of a visual effect. But yeah, this is just unlocked now, and there's heaps of stuff you can do. You've got areas, more payment information, but this is for your personal thing. So what I mean by that is if we go back, should be able to go back here. This is your personal account. Now, I don't use my personal account. I use a business account, and that would usually be above this one. So what I am going to cover business accounts in this, but this is just a personal account, and you can use your personal account, absolutely. No drama there, just the business account has a lot more benefits. But if you don't want to start a business account, you don't have to. You can just have a personal advert account, and it works just fine. So that's how you can get your advert account started, unlocked, ready to go. And now we'll move on to some more stuff. But yeah, that's just it real quick. Just unlock it, get it going, and now you're ready to start doing some advertising.